Are you a custom water cooling enthusiast looking for the perfect case for your new build? Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Level 20 HT Super Tower Case, the dream case for any aesthetics-driven, water-cooled build. The Level 20 HT Super Tower Case is 613mm high, 468mm wide, and 503mm deep. The case features not one, but four durable 4mm thick tempered glass windows. It has hinges on the two side windows and push locks on the front and top windows, keeping all of your components secure, but also allowing you to show off the entirety of your gorgeous build. All these glass windows can be removed to give you full access to multiple sides. There are two pre-installed 140mm fans, but also tons of additional space to install extra fans, ensuring superior airflow. Your power supply and GPU hang vertically in the case, with a max length of 400mm for your GPU. The case supports up to EATX size motherboards, and your CPU cooler can have a max height of up to 260mm. This all means you have lots of space to work with, and you can be sure that your custom loops will get where they need to go. To further assist in your build, the case also has a modular design. This means rearranging the interior space for custom cooling loops is made incredibly easy. The case also comes with a removable motherboard tray as well as radiator and PSU brackets. This makes for incredibly convenient configuration, as you're able to assemble multiple components outside of the case itself. Without a doubt, the star of any build in the Level 20 HT will be the view from the front, featuring the ability to house two reservoirs as well as a removable bracket specifically designed so you can install a radiator vertically or horizontally. It can also fit a distro plate both vertically or horizontally. There are handy dandy filters to help keep the dust bunnies at bay, and the output of your cables is actually up the top, so there are tons of cable routing areas to help with cable management. The case has plenty of mounts for your storage, and a handy I/O port, complete with an RGB switch to change the RGB modes with ease. There's even a Type-C port. If you're a fan of our Tower 900 cases, then this is the perfect case for you. Coming in a sleek black and elegant snowy white edition, you are sure to be able to create a stunning build. For your next dream water-cooled creation, you can't go past our Level 20 HT Super Tower Case. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave us a like and comment down below any thoughts or questions you may have. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ding the bell to be notified every time we upload. And while you're down there in the description box, take a look at all the cool links down there. We've got Discord, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, as well as links to our brand new podcast, Thermaltake. This is coming out fortnightly. We're going to talk about games, tech, all sorts of stuff. So make sure to give that a listen as well. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Too easy. We'll get one more.